Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon and good evening ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Since I've been posting a lot of videos, I thought of making my or sharing my personal 6 beautiful things to all of you. You should know the basic things which I would like to put across to all of you. First will be my hero story. Second, I will talk about my vision. Third will be my mission. Fourth, the principles on which I love to live. Fifth, I will talk about people I follow. Last but not the least, the books I have read and I have loved them and I follow the authors. So let me quickly start with my hero story. I am Shailesh Fulsunge, father of a super boy, a Taj veteran, hotelier since 1988, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Mellon Hospitality Private Limited. That completes my hero story in short. Let me talk about my vision. My vision is to provide services to our clients and guests, since I am a hotelier, nationwide and worldwide, which will touch their subconscious minds and stay in their memories. Let me repeat once again. To provide services to our clients and guests nationwide and worldwide, which will touch their subconscious mind and stay in their memories throughout. This is my vision. Let me talk about my mission now. My mission is to maintain integrity throughout and stay true towards the core values. I am not talking about making 1,000 crores or 5,000 crores. That comes automatically. We will talk about core values, and integrity should be maintained throughout. And I love this of Mr. or respectable Mr. Ratan Tata. My third principle: unless we give, we will not receive. So first give and then receive. It will automatically come in multifolds and abundance. So first give and receive is my fourth principle. Fifth principle would be my icons, my people who I follow. Tony Robbins, wonderful gentleman, lovely to read him, lovely to watch him on YouTube, lots of learnings from him. Then comes Robin Sharma, obviously Mr. Ratan Tata, and obviously if I am a hotelier, so I should have one role model, Mr. Raymond Bixen, and I was lucky to have Mr. Raymond Bixen forwarding my book. Then comes the book, last but not the least, Awaken the Giant Within, again by Tony Robbins. The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari by Robin Sharma. I have read Secret, fantastic book, and most of us have liked it. The 5 AM Club of Robin Sharma, amazing. There are many more. I love reading and I read them multiple times. Every time you read, you learn something. So these are the 6 basic things or basic personal things which I would like to share with you. I felt that everybody should be aware about my personal story, my vision, my mission, my principles, people I follow, and the books I read. With this, I'm summing up. Stay in touch. I'm coming up with lots of information and lots of videos and lots of knowledge to be shared. Stay in touch. Subscribe to my channel and let's be connected.